Best deals.
1. Glass jars. These airtight, leak-proof jars allow you to store all your kitchen items safely. These jars are ideal for storing spices, dry fruits and mouth fresheners with ease. The glass surface can easily be labeled with a sticker. This transparent jar offers you a direct and unobstructed view of the contents. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Grill pan. The molten metal takes the shape of the mold and the result is a complex, intricately designed pot or pan which adds the metal where it is needed the most, building strength. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Gloves are made of high-quality material that provides flexibility, comfort, safety and dexterity. Soft silicone material makes it easy to fit in the scrubber and friction prevents it from getting slip even exposed to water. The scrubber on the front and thick silicone bristles makes it easy to clean. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Pressure cooker is perfect for any Indian kitchen setup. Keeps food moist, flavorful, and nutritious. Helps retain essential nutrients in every meal, cooks food quickly and saves fuel. Pressure cooker is pressure locked for safety, like a jetliner door. The safety valve is located under the lead handlebar so that when it operates the steam is safely deflected downwards. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Flask has been constructed with a stainless steel body. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Strainer is designed for safe and convenient everyday cooking. Made from food-grade stainless steel with no chemical coating, the strainer pot is completely toxin-free. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Washer bowl. This durable colander is expertly crafted from high-quality stainless steel, ensuring long-lasting performance and easy maintenance. Its sleek design features a pudding and a comfortable handle, making it convenient to use for draining pasta, rinsing vegetables, or straining liquids. With its sturdy construction and ample size, product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Coconut water has comfortable rubber handle for easy opening every time. Product link is given in the eighth link. 9. Yogurt filter. The ideal solution for preparing hun curd, Greek yogurt, and heritage dahi with no additives or preservatives. Whether you are a fan of Greek yogurt maker tools or need a compact dahi maker, Sebla blends convenience, quality, and health in one reusable strainer set, making it the smarter choice for homes and health-conscious kitchens. Product link is given in the ninth link. 10. Teapot can be used in serving tea and hot liquid substance body stainless steel designed, easy to clean. It's easy to fill a cup with your favorite beverage. No unpleasant smell enters to affect the flavor of your beverage. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Tin. Crafted from premium food-grade stainless steel, this container offers exceptional durability and a sleek, polished finish that complements any kitchen decor. The innovative capsule design not only adds a modern touch but also ensures efficient space utilization. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Wiper is made of good materials that ensure effective removal of water or dust. This makes the cleaning process easier. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Coffee maker has become iconic and has allowed millions of consumers to enjoy great Italian coffee. The mocha produces a rich, authentic espresso in just minutes. The aluminum pot features Bialetti's distinctive 8-sided shape that allows it to diffuse heat perfectly to enhance the aroma of your coffee. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Portable blender. Blender is best for making delicious smoothies and juices, and is loved across the world for its unique technology, award-winning design. Get best results in making smoothies and juices. Upgraded 2.0 technology to get the perfect blend every time, giving rich and consistent texture. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Molds. The BPA-free silicone popsicle molds ensures no harm to your homemade popsicles, perfectly matches the reusable plastic popsicle sticks and keeping you and your family healthy. Please note, before making popsicles, make sure to insert the stick into the card slot. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Oil dispenser. Silicone brush oil bottle made from glass is durable and heat resistant, perfect for kitchen use. It combines the flexibility of silicone with the clarity and safety of glass, ensuring easy cleaning and long-term reliability. Its design allows for easy cleaning. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Casserole. Is made up of strong iron material which helps them to stay tough and hard for a long time. Cast iron cookware is hard and strong and is capable of bearing high heat. Hence it's durable and lasts for a very long time. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Kadai. Engineered with German-grade silicone and high heat resistance, our ergonomic stay-cool handles are a game changer in kitchen safety. No more potholders, no more burns, just effortless grip and ultimate control, even when the heat is on full blast. Designed for comfort, built for confidence. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Dosa Tawa. Boasts a natural non-stick surface, promoting healthy cooking while delivering irresistibly crispy and delicious results with every dish. Capable of withstanding high heat, the pan excels at retaining and distributing heat evenly. Rough and tough by design, the pan is built to withstand the use metal ladles without fear of damage. The pre-seasoning prevents rusting. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Frother. Is a compact and easy-to-use coffee frother electric for making smooth, creamy froth at home. Perfect as a milk frother, coffee beater, coffee whisker, coffee stirrer and handheld electric milk frother. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Milk frother. Is perfect for gift giving. Give that someone special in your life something that they will definitely enjoy using. And, neoprene sleeve will protect your coffee frother from accidental damages and scratches. This manual coffee frother comes with double stainless steel mesh filters. These mesh filters will last longer, and you do not have to buy filter replacements for a long time. Stainless steel mesh ensures harmful chemicals will not leach into your hot beverages. The pump mechanism of this glass frother is very smooth and easy to use. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Container. Crafted with premium food-grade stainless steel, this pot ensures long-lasting performance and is completely rust-proof and hygienic. Its leak-proof lid locks in freshness and prevents spillage, making it ideal for storing ghee, oils, or herbal mixtures, delivers the perfect blend of utility and elegance. The pot's modern design complements every kitchen while being incredibly easy to clean. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Lunch box. These steel boxes for the kitchen are made up of high-quality heavy-gauge, food-grade stainless steel material. Easy to clean and wash, they have very exotic silver shining. Durable and reusable, box keeps your shelf organized and adds luxury to your kitchen. It's easy to stack each other neatly without any hassle. Product link is given in the 23rd link. 24. Mesh bags. Designed for everyday washing and storage needs. Made from high-quality breathable mesh. Product link is given in the 24th link. 25. Cleaning machine. Maintaining a clean and hygienic living environment has become easier and more efficient thanks to specialized machines. The Nexlove Sofa Cleaning Machine and similar handheld devices offer an advanced approach to fabric care by combining UVC sterilization, double bead technology, and HEPA filtration, all powered by Type-C charging. The science behind this feature is straightforward yet highly effective. Product link is given in the 25th link. 26. Brush. Car interior detailing brush apply pet bristles. Even after repeated use, the detailing brush bristles are durable, no bad smell. The detailing brush great for dry and wet use. The handle made of high-quality frosted plastic, anti-slip and offer comfortable grip. The handle without metal parts. The plastic handle prevents scratching paint and surface if your brush accidentally hit the car. Saves space in your car, and will not mess up the space because of too many tools. Product link is given in the 26th link. 27. Glass casserole. Healthy, versatile, and stylish and is harder and tougher than ordinary glass and ideal for kitchen, dining and daily uses in routine life. The lid can double as serving dish and it can also be used as the tray of this round glass casserole dish. The lid is flat with no knob, which makes this glass casserole dish easy to stack. Product link is given in the 27th link. 28. Gardening tools. Meet all your gardening needs with these using our comprehensive 10-piece tool set, equipped with essentials like saws, snips, trowels, weeders, rakes, and forks. Crafted from fine stainless steel, it offers durability and reliability for all your gardening needs. It features ergonomic TRP soft handles for comfortable, extended use, and offers convenient storage. Includes shovel, spade, pitchfork, hand rake, and weeder for planting, digging, aerating, and weeding. Product link is given in the 28th link. 29. Cheese ball. Make meatball without effort with the meatball making tool without messing up your hands. Very helpful to all, special for who is beginner in cooking. Product link is given in the 29th link. 30. Chopping board. Designed for fast and uniform cutting of carrots, cucumbers, beans and vegetables, it reduces prep time and improves safety. Rust-proof, hygienic and easy to clean, cutting board is perfect for Indian kitchens and daily use. Product link is given in the 30th link. 31. Chopper. 14-in-1 multi-purpose chopper, fruits and vegetable cutters, grater peeler chipser, unbreakable food grade body, chopper for kitchen, easy push to clean button slicer dicer. Equipped with sharp pyramid-shaped cutting blades for efficient and smooth cutting of fruits and vegetables. Provides efficient and convenient chopping or dicing without the need for electricity. Allows you to skillfully prepare homemade breakfast, lunch and dinner to entice the taste buds of your family. A simple solution can meet all your needs. The blade in non-toxic, BPA-free ABS plastic. Not only a good kitchen helper for yourself, but also a decent and considerate gift for friends. Enjoy cooking again. The all-round kitchen helper can help you achieve it. Designed for user convenience, with a simple operation, easy cleaning process, and compact storage. Ensures easy and hygienic cleaning after use, promoting cleanliness and sanitation. The large container is featured with unbreakable plastic for long-lasting usage. The veggie cutter is very easy to use and is featured with a non-skid base for the effortless use and satisfying results. Product link is given in the 31st link. 32. Electric coffee grinder. Crafted for both convenience and capacity, it takes the hassle out of multiple brews, so you can pour, relax, and enjoy every cup with ease. Despite its slim profile, it offers powerful performance and thoughtful features, making it the perfect solution for small spaces and big cravings. Achieving the perfect cup of coffee is an intricate blend of art and science, and at the very foundation of this morning ritual lies the grind. For aficionados of fine coffee, investing in a high-quality electric grinder is an absolute necessity, as pre-ground coffee rapidly loses its volatile aromatic compounds and nuanced flavor profiles once exposed to air. The Instacupper electric coffee grinder with LED touch timer and cup selector, conical stainless steel burr mill with 25 adjustable grind settings for home espresso, mocha pot, French press, pour-over emerges as a premier appliance for both beginner home baristas and seasoned connoisseurs alike. This meticulously engineered device promises to revolutionize the way you approach coffee preparation, turning everyday routines into a genuine barista-style experience right in the comfort of your kitchen. Product link is given in the 32nd link. 33. Cleaner is a versatile, 450W multipurpose stain vacuum designed to lift tough, set-in messes like juice, paw prints, and wine from carpets and upholstery using a 12 kPa super suction spray and extract system. It features a dual tank setup for chemical-free or detergent cleaning, represents a significant leap in modern household maintenance technology, designed specifically to tackle the most stubborn, set stains that traditional upright vacuum cleaners often fail to resolve. As a multipurpose portable carpet and upholstery cleaner, This powerful device combines robust suction and targeted spraying capabilities to revolutionize how we approach both domestic and automotive cleaning. At the core of the Crest Portable Spot Cleaner is its highly engineered motor, delivering a massive 12 kPa or 11 kPa in some variations of suction power. To contextualize the specification, industry standards indicate that for deep cleaning carpets and tackling deeply embedded dirt, anything above 6,000 pascals is ideal for pulling out trapped dander, mud, and liquid messes. By utilizing an impressive 450 watts of power, the super suction cleaning machine goes far beyond surface level dust removal. It employs a targeted spray and extract method, forcefully injecting water and specialized cleaning detergent, if desired, deep into the woven fibers of carpets, mattresses, and rugs. Once the liquid penetrates the fabric and suspends the dirt, the powerful vacuum extracts the dirty liquid back into the machine, leaving surfaces barely damp and completely refreshed. This deep extraction capability is essential for any stain remover tasked with dealing with everyday household accidents. Whether it is juice spilled by a child, red wine on a plush living room rug, or mud tracked indoors by a dog, the Crest Portable Spot Cleaner provides the exact kinetic force needed to lift the pigment and debris out of the weave. Furthermore, the inclusion of replacement heads ensures that the machine remains a versatile asset across different materials and scenarios. The standard brush is ideal for everyday carpet and rug maintenance, while specialized tools like the Deep Stain tool allow users to target highly concentrated, localized spots. A softer brush or silicone brush is often available for delicate, high-end upholstery, preventing damage to fabrics while still achieving a flawless clean. For households with pets, the designation of this device as a pet stain vacuum is arguably its most valuable feature. Pet ownership, while incredibly rewarding, inevitably comes with its own set of messy challenges. From tracked-in paw prints to unpredictable accidents on area rugs and upholstered sofas, keeping soft furnishings hygienic is a constant battle. Traditional vacuums merely push dry fur around, and basic wiping often pushes urine deeper into carpet padding. The Crest Portable Spot Cleaner directly addresses this issue by effectively breaking down organic messes, eliminating the biochemical compounds that cause foul odors, and removing them entirely from the environment. By flushing the area with water and immediately extracting the waste, it removes both the stain and the lingering scent, discouraging pets from returning to the same accident spot. Product link is given in the 33rd link.